The joint manifesto for the opposition India group was announced for Bihar today, but the announcement, its optics and the name itself left many asking, is everything okay? And there are three reasons these questions are being asked. One, the absence of Rahul Gandhi from the manifesto release. Two, the fact that the manifesto itself was named the Tejaswi Patra and its cover very clearly had Tejaswi Yadav in prime position. And three, the messaging from the banner that was on stage. Tejaswi Yadav got pride of place, Rahul Gandhi in one small left-hand corner and other leaders bringing up the rear. And then for good measure, there was Tejaswi Pratigya, Tejaswi Pran written all over the stage. But the optics war didn't end here. Remember how the Congress had projected Rahul Gandhi as Jan Nayak for long. Strangely, now the RJD has jumped in with a bit of passive-aggressive competitive streak. Posters calling Tejaswi Yadav Bihar Ka Nayak have coincidentally gone up outside the RJD office. Look, the Congress is quite clear that all of this is part of a strategy to show Tejaswi as the face of the alliance and to ensure that no one, least of all Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi, should overshadow him in the slog overs of the election. The BJP, though, has its doubts. And that brings us to the question. The manifesto is out, but is the Bhaichara in doubt? Let's go straight across to the guest joining us now, Nikhil N. Anand, National General Secretary of the BJP OBC Morcha and the spokesperson of the BJP. Nikhil Jain, political analyst, continues with us, and we have Priyanka Bharti, spokesperson of the RJD, Anshul Avijit from the Congress joining us. Anshul Avijit, you first. Is everything okay?
Oh, why is there any doubt? I mean, I think there's a clamor in the newsrooms to somehow create always doubt within the Mahagathbandhan. I mean, first it was the CM face, and when we announced the CM face and the BJP still hasn't, we've also announced a shadow deputy CM from the EBC community, right? Which goes with our line of social representation, of social justice. I mean, whatever you've asked us to do, we've done it. I don't think this creating this dissension is really working, because on the ground, people are not really asking these questions.
You don't think the poster matters? That little picture in the corner, all of that is incidental?
No, again, you're trying to create, you remember the press conference that happened when we unequivocally announced the name of the, who our candidate, who's the face of the Bihar CM going to be. It was Tejaswi Yadav ji. Ashok Gehlot ji was in that press conference, and a number of other Mahagathbandhan leaders. Well, in that, you saw the face, there was only one face there, right? There were the symbols of all the other parties. That is because categorically and unequivocally, we've decided who that face is going to be. That was what you were asking all along, because you wanted a presidential type face-off, regardless of whether the people of Bihar wanted it or not.
Nikhil Anand.
You asked similar questions.
Nikhil Anand, earlier you had a problem, they weren't declaring CM face. Now you have a problem ki who's putting which poster, which picture is of which size, why? Why don't you put out a poster with Nitish Kumar as the biggest face?
See, there is no vacancy for the post of CM in Bihar. Nitish Kumar ji is running the NDA government in Bihar. He is leading NDA in this election, and he is going to take over as the CM of Bihar after the election is over. So things are very clear.
No, that is fine. But since you are comparing posters, it's natural the Congress will ask, right? You are scrutinizing their posters and measuring in millimeters whose picture is how big. You also make a poster with Nitish ji bigger than the Prime Minister.
But we are not measuring the posters. But it is obvious that after failed Vote Chori Yatra of Rahul Gandhi, Tejaswi has put Congress in the dock. And RJD people are doubting the credibility of the Congress among the voters of Bihar. And that is why you see that they have put this title, Jan Nayak. It is an abuse to our beloved leader,
Priyanka Bharti. Have you put Rahul Gandhi in the dock? Have you put Rahul Gandhi in the dock? And that's why Rahul Gandhi wasn't there today.
A pygmy.
Where is Nitish Kumar?
Has put Rahul Gandhi as pygmy.
Anywhere. But the question today is, who is asking question about the pictures? I mean, is it you, Padmaja, is asking, or is it BJP who is asking about the picture and the size of picture, measuring millimeters?
We are not asking.
Who is asking? I'm asking you, Padmaja, who's
Oh, me?
asking this?
Yeah, I am also asking. And the BJP, although Nikhil Anand is now, disowning it, your party has asked through the day. Ravi Shankar
No,
Prasad
I'm
also
not
said,
disowning, but
where was
why
Rahul
did I
Gandhi?
Rahul Gandhi
Why did I
is
ask
as
this
a
question? I
pygmy.
asked this question to answer you accordingly. If it was BJP who was asking this question, I would ask them, where is Nitish Kumar? And not only this, they'll always be considered about posters. I mean, you see pictures of Pradhan Mantri even on the Shauchalaya gates, wherever he inaugurates. Even if he inaugurates passenger trains, it's always Modi ji. When there's nowhere our rail minister. And these are not issues, Padmaja, for Bihar. Bihar, we have the core issue which we are facing, which the youth population is facing as a youngest state, which we are facing is unemployment. And that's why, if you saw our manifesto today, we have already announced it that we'll make a law, and through law, after making the law, we will procure jobs in 20 months. Not only this, every panchayats we are going to give 300 jobs to
Padmaja, I
people
would
by
like to make a
creating
point.
MSMEs. And on the other hand, you see the minister's MSME, the minister of MSME, Jitan Ram Manjhi himself has given the data that around 2,414 MSMEs from Bihar have been closed,
Fair.
leading to unemployment of 15,000.
Okay, but Priyanka Bharti, these may not be issues on which
but
votes are
Padmaja,
cast, but these are
I would like
definitely
to make a
issues.
point.
These are definitely issues which give you a hint of the health of the alliance, as it were. You have a manifesto, Tejaswi Yadav has pride of place. All over the manifesto, there's Tejaswi written. And the biggest question of them all, why didn't the biggest face of the Mahagadbandhan, Rahul Gandhi, also come for the manifesto release? It's a joint manifesto. Should have been a joint announcement.
Padmajaji, didn't you get a little bit of hint when today Amit Shah said, अगर बीजेपी महाराष्ट्र में अपनी ताकत पर चलेगी तो उसको बैसाखियों की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी? Did you get some sort of hint over there from what Amit Shah said?
Don't attach Maharashtra and Bihar.
Talks about netritva.
Here, Uddhav
The
Thackeray
leadership of
put his
Nitish
ideology on
Kumar.
the
What is
That's it.
stopping him from
sit in the
declaring?
lap of Congress party.
No, Padmaja, we are not
Here,
concerned.
Nitish Kumar is a credible
So they are
socialist
not
leader.
coming back in the government.
He is in alliance with the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Okay, interesting
So,
point
there is
raised.
no
Tushar
comparison
Gupta,
between
Tushar Gupta,
Maharashtra
questions,
and
just a
BJP,
second,
Bihar.
questions being raised about the health of the alliance in Bihar. But the alliance in Maharashtra also, and these push and pull exist in every alliance. If there is the BMC election happening, then perhaps the entire Mahayuti is not contesting together. Why only put Rahul Gandhi in the dock? Tushar Gupta.
No, Padmaja, here's the thing. The RJD is too polite to say it and the Congress will never accept it. But Rahul Gandhi is a liability for this alliance. Rahul Gandhi started the Bihar election campaign with a very elaborate press conference on vote chori. Vote chori was the campaign with which this alliance began. There was supposed to be a hydrogen bomb that was to be dropped somewhere between October and November. None of it happened. And today the RJD will not accept. But the truth is, Congress is just fighting on 1/4 of the total seats in Bihar. After all the vote chori campaign, all vote reclamation yatra, whatever Rahul Gandhi did as political theatrics, they just are fighting on 60 seats. And like in 2020, the Congress is again a threat to pull down the RJD alliance when it comes to winnability. That is the problem. Number two, RJD in its manifesto said that we want to give jobs. Priyanka spoke about it right now. They are promising a government job. That is the law. They are promising that a government job for every household that doesn't have a government job. No maths in the world can actually testify that this law will actually work. The money isn't there. The promise doesn't hold. Nevertheless, Padmaja, if you talk to me about the lines, the face of the lines, forget the election result day also. In the next 10 days, the presence of Rahul Gandhi and how many rallies he does in Bihar will answer the question on how healthy this alliance is, and there we'll have an answer.
Well, he's coming tomorrow. He's going to go on a blitz along with Priyanka Gandhi. That is what has been promised, that Rahul Gandhi is going to reach there, Priyanka Gandhi is going to be there, and the next 10 days, they are going to go across the state. But on the basis of that, Tushar Gupta, can it be said that the alliance is a problem, or that, RJD has put Rahul Gandhi in the dock?
No, let's evaluate the health of the alliance on numbers then. JDU fighting on 100 seats, BJP fighting on 100 seats, the
101
smaller
seats.
fightings following on proportional number of seats. The RJD is fighting on a more number of seats. Where's the Congress at? Padmaja, my simple question is, if Rahul Gandhi is the face of the alliance, if he's the Jan Naik as he claims, why just 60 seats?
Because they've always been the junior partner, but let Priyanka Bharti answer that, because they are the ones supposed to be very upset with the Congress. And then Anshula Vijay.
Padmaja ji, I must thank our political analyst. He's so concerned about Congress and RJD. I mean, I should hats off to you, man. And that too, even after abusing and questioning and mocking RJD in every second tweet of yours. But I'll not go on that. Since he questioned me about alliance, number of seats, let me remind you, how much seats did you say? 100. No, it's 101. And not only this, BJP is not contesting 101. They are contesting 142. It's 142 versus 101. 142 because Jitan Ram Manjhi is with him. 142 because Lojpa is with him. So the same Lojpa who brutally destroyed Nitish Kumar ji in the last elections. We saw it everywhere. But since you ask about jobs, I will tell you how we will create jobs, which you already did for Gujarat. I mean, Modi had schemes for Gujarat, but not for us. I'll give you one data of Gujarat government only.
I'll reply to that.
There was 60.7% of increase of MSMEs in Gujarat and procuring more than 50% of jobs only in 5 years, from 2015 to 2020. If you can create these many jobs from MSMEs, can't we do it in Bihar?
But you are not creating jobs from MSMEs. You're promising government jobs.
Yes, we will
Yes.
do that.
And currently there are
We
only
will do
20
that.
lakh people doing government
that?
jobs. You are promising 2.56 crores. Total of 2.76 households. 20 lakh already have a government job, which means you are
No,
going to
hold
give
on.
2.56
Padmaja.
crore government jobs.
I will answer that. I mean, I know why there is a distrust, because distrust has been created by jumlas from Modi ji. That's why no one trusts leaders these days. But what Tejaswi ji said,
I
he
would like to
said
make a
we
point.
will introduce a law within 20 days, and that law will
Hold on,
bind
hold on.
as well. He cannot. In fact, he मतलब वो खुद भी नहीं तोड़ सकते उस कानून को.
Priyanka ji, you can
I
bring
will
the
ask-
law, but you
क्या
can't
बोल रहे
create
हैं?
a job.
Padmaja
This
ji,
is
you are so much concerned about logics and mathematics. Aren't you concerned when Mr. Modi announced more than 7.7
Can I, Padmaja, need to respond?
seats
My
in
name has been
Bihar?
taken.
Where will that money come from? Gujarat.
Okay. Tushar Gupta, before you respond, I want to gently
No,
point out the difference between a law and reality. I can today say I will pass a law to make the sun shine at night, but that doesn't mean that is going to happen. I can bring about any
Padmaja,
law I
you
want,
cannot.
but that doesn't
You
mean it will
cannot.
happen.
You cannot. Personally, you cannot, because you are an anchor. You are not a politician who will come
Well,
to power.
neither are you. You are also a spokesperson.
This power
But you
lies
said we
with
can bring about a law.
representatives.
Just to be
This
grammatically
power lies
correct,
with constitutional
the government can
representatives.
pass a law.
Technically and logically, it is not correct.
Okay, just a second.
And
Tushar
anybody
Gupta
can
respond,
bring
then I'll go to
about-
Anshul Avijit and Mr.
I'll
Anand
do
as well.
every
Just a
house.
second, just a
I'm-
second,
I'm-
please.
Deal making is only
No.
correct, nothing else.
I'm glad Priyanka.
One at a
glad
time, please.
Priyanka-
Employment, that is technically correct, right?
No,
Or you
hold on.
Bihar with,
Madam.
making reels. Talo Pakoda, that is reality. That is a blueprint. That is a
Can
roadmap
I
from
answer?
UP Bihar.
Don't talk blah blah. And
Okay,
don't-
just a second.
don't
Tushar
tell me
Gupta,
Priyanka.
please.
Drop the topic.
Priyanka, I'm glad you read my tweets. Read them more often. I'll be mocking and exposing the RJD's economic theories very, very openly. Your manifesto, not our manifesto, your manifesto से सरकारी नौकरी. वहां MSME नहीं लिखा, वहां प्राइवेट नौकरी नहीं लिखा. आप लोग कह रहे हैं कि सरकारी नौकरी देंगे. 20 लाख लोग हैं अभी सरकार में. आप कह रहे हैं उसको 2.5 करोड़ कर देंगे. आप सरकार का साइज जो है उसको 12 गुना बढ़ा देंगे लॉ बनाकर. ये संभव भी है. आपका मैथ्स जो है
नहीं है.
छठी क्लास
अगर
का
आप
बच्चा भी
टीचर
कह
शक्ति
सकता है
हो तो।
गलत है.
नहीं होती
छठी
है तो
नहीं, ऐसा
संभव
नहीं
नहीं होता
होता.
है।
प्रियंका जी, हवा में बात नहीं होती है,
हवा
राजनीति
में
है,
ही बात
economics
नहीं होती है, वही तो मैं
तो
बता
हवा
रही
में ही रह
हूँ
जाएंगे आप.
कानून
फिर आप
बना
हवा ही
फिर
हो
बात
जाएंगे.
होती है.
14
हवा में
तारीख को
बिना
आप और
एक
आपकी
देने
पार्टी
से
हवा
बात
ही हो
नहीं
जाएगी.
होती है.
अगर हवा में बात होती है तो आपकी
आपको नहीं पता
पार्टी
क्या?
14 तारीख को हवा हो
आपको नहीं
जाएगी.
पता बिहारी हवा में रहते हैं? आपको नहीं पता वी लिव इन एयर? आपको नहीं पता है अमित शाह जी ने हम हवा में रहते हैं? उन्होंने कहा
आपको
हम
समझ आ रहा है आप क्या बोल रही है? आप कह रही है आप
हम लोग
हवा में
हवा
रहती
में
है, आपको
रहते हैं.
बात समझ आ रहा है.
हम लोग
प्रियंका जी,
हवा में
छठी
ही
कक्षा
रहते हैं,
का
हम लोग
मैथ्स
पानी
पढ़िए.
में तैरते हैं. हम कहीं नहीं है, क्योंकि अमित शाह ने कहा जमीन
अरे
नहीं.
फिलहाल कॉमन सेंस की बात करिए. कभी तो कॉमन सेंस की बात करिए प्रियंका जी. कभी तो कॉमन सेंस की बात करिए.
उनको
मैथ्स
लॉजिकल
की
बात
बात
करनी
करिए,
चाहिए.
लॉजिक की
common
बात
sense
करिए,
से.
अपनी बात
That's all.
करिए.
Okay, let's come back to the point, please. Let's come back to the point.
क्या
नहीं,
बेवकूफों जैसे
लॉजिकल
बात
व्यक्ति
करती
है
हैं.
आप भाई. मतलब ये कह रहे हैं कि हम हवा में रहते हैं. जी पद्मजा जी,
आप
हम लोग
कह रही हैं आप हवा में
रहते
रहती हैं.
आपको बताया
मैं तो कह
गया
रहा हूं
था कि हम
आपकी
हवा
पार्टी
में
14
रहते
तारीख
हैं.
को हवा हो जाएगी अगर ऐसे बात करेगी तो.
Please,
आपकी
unnecessary
पार्टी
comment.
हवा हो जाएगी 14 तारीख को.
आप जरूर रोएंगे. उस दिन का मैं इंतजार में हूँ. आप रोइएगा और बिहारी हंसेगा, बिहारी मुस्कुराएगा कि नई सरकार आएगी जो तरक्की लाएगी, रोजगार लाएगी.
चलिए 14 तारीख को आप भी यही होंगी, मैं भी यही होऊंगा. बात कर लेंगे. 14 तारीख को आप मिलेगा.
मिलेंगे एक दूसरे से हम लोग उस दिन.
Okay, just to
बिल्कुल,
give out
बिल्कुल.
another data point, there are 2 lakh government employees in all of Bihar right now. And in all of the central government, there are about 31 lakh government employees, top to bottom. Right now, we're looking at 2.5 crore government jobs
Absurd,
being
absolutely
created.
absurd.
2.5 crore हवा में हो जाएगा. बहुत अच्छी बात है. भगवान करे सबको नौकरी मिले, सबको रोजगार मिल जाए. But to come,
सबको नौकरी मिले. आप ये कहिए तेजस्वी करें सबको नौकरी मिले, भगवान करे नहीं, तेजस्वी जी करेंगे, महागठबंधन करेगी, वो नौकरी देगी. और मैं इसलिए
I would like to make a point.
10 साल पहले महामानव सेठ की बिहार आएंगे तो चीनी मिल से चाय पियेंगे मोतिहारी के. वो
Unnecessary talk will not make a point for
तेजस्वी
RJD.
यादव ने खोल जरूर दिया रीगा का चीनी मिल. We are proud of him and we have trust in him. 14 crore of Biharis trust him. That's why we will have a change in Bihar this time.
okay, fine. But let me again bring back Nikhil Anand. You've heard plenty from the Congress and the RJD, and they are clear that there are little bit of problems in every alliance, Mr. Anand, and tomorrow onwards, they are going to be hitting the trail together. Are you satisfied now? They have declared CM phase, they have declared Deputy CM phase, they have released their manifesto. You haven't even released your manifesto.
See, our manifesto committee has been formed and all party manifesto committee has sat together and finalized the manifesto. It is a matter of time that will come out. But I'm saying that RJD is in a desperate mode. And that is why, on the basis of propaganda and hypothesis, they want to take the advantage in this election, but they are consistently lagging behind and failing. We already have all districts NDA collective meetings, Sammelan, and all assembly constituency held a NDA meeting. And we are far ahead of this grand alliance.
Okay.
I'm saying if Rahul Gandhi wants to come to Bihar, I am saying that he should at least do 25 meetings with Tejasvi Yadav, taking along Kanhaiya Kumar as well as Pappu Yadav.
Okay, that is a very specific ask. Anshul Avijit, please assure Nikhil Anand, he has some very specific requests of Rahul Gandhi.
At least 25 meetings with Tejasvi Yadav.
25
We will be
meetings?
happy. We don't have any challenge. We don't have any challenge. We are unopposed and Nitish Kumar ji is going to take over as the CM of Bihar again.
Okay, let Anshul Avijit at least respond. 25 meetings, Rahul Gandhi, Kanhaiya Kumar and Pappu
Yeah, it
Yadav.
is my challenge.
Okay, Anshul Avijit. Anshul Avijit.
I'm really moved by the concern of my friend here and what we should do or not do. Meetings will be held. People will be going. It will create impetus. Mr. Rahul Gandhi is going to Sakra
Actually,
tomorrow in
Tejasvi has cut
Muzaffarpur.
him
There will be meetings
to
after.
size.
Let me ask him a specific question, since let me reciprocate in that manner. Who is your NDA face who is the NDA face for chief
course, Nitish
ministership?
Kumar.
कौन है? अरे
My
नहीं,
brother, there is no
प्रधानमंत्री
vacancy.
तो बोला नहीं.
There is no vacancy
और
in
नहीं,
Bihar.
ना
Nitish
प्रधानमंत्री
Kumar
जी
ji
ने
is
बोला है,
already
ना
the
अमित
CM.
शाह जी ने बोला
We
है.
have
कौन
the
है आपका
deputy
डेप्यूटी
CM.
सीएम फेस कौन है? नहीं आप
And just
देखिए, आपको
because you
बहुत
have
वक्त
never
मिल
been
गया,
to
मुझे भी
power,
कहने दीजिए.
So you can announce the CM face,
अरे
but we
भैया,
don't
आप
have any.
कहने दीजिए ना, आप
Yeah,
बार-बार
already
इसका
have. There is
हस्तक्षेप
no
मत
vacancy,
करिए
my
ना.
brother.
आप औरों को जवाब देने दीजिए कि कौन है, बताइए. Unequivocally
बोलिए.
and categorically,
No, that-
who
you
is
are
your
asking,
CM
that
face?
is
You
why
have
I am
expressed
saying there
enough
is no
concern
vacancy.
for the Mahagathbandhan and I'm delighted for it. Please tell me who your CM face is. It's bizarre, I think, Padmaja.
Nitish Kumar is
Absolutely
the
correct.
CM face.
Question. Let me just finish. with what I'm
Why
saying.
are you repeating again?
Okay,
and
let him
again?
finish.
I think it's bizarre,
Shah Paswan has
Padmaja,
said this.
that
Our
on
Prime
the
Minister,
eve of
all
the
the alliance
election,
partners are
you are
ready
asking
to accept Nitish ji as the
questions
CM.
about the
Why you
Mahagathbandhan when the
Nitish
party in
Kumar ji has
power which has been
great
responsible for the
credibility.
economic devastation
By
which has
just
taken place.
putting
The complete.
Jan-Nayak,
Can you allow
Rahul Gandhi
my
can't
friend
Just a
to
second,
speak
please,
for
one
a
at a
second? It
time.
doesn't make any sense. It's not my habit to
election
speak
will
over the
prove
others.
who is
Otherwise, I'll
Jan-Nayak
just
and who is Khalnayak.
withdraw from the debate.
The title will be shared
Ask him
between
to finish.
Rahul
Can we
Gandhi-
please have one
he
person
has to
speaking at a
finish.
time? Anshul Avijit.
Just
No.
by putting the title-
I understand his need to explain more because they have a lot more explaining to do. Because they've been the party in power, they need more time. Padmaja, give them enough time. Give them an entire show without calling the opposition. I'm all for it. Right? The opposition here is being taken into account where they're not in power. And the economic devastation of Bihar that has taken place over the past 5, 7, 10, 20 years, you name it. The per capita over there, the gross levels of poverty, the unemployment, about farmers not getting MSP rates, the massive levels of corruption, the indictment by the CAG, Law and order completely collapsing where ASI is shot in broad daylight, where lawyers, doctors are not safe there. And that's why you're not getting any investment. And the Prime Minister goes there and talks about a futuristic Bihar.
Okay.
ये सब हम आप करेंगे, ये हम और लाएंगे, कारखाने चलेंगे. अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं. It takes 20 years to build a terminal in Bihar, right? You go there in Bihar, there is a terminal that has been in the last few months. On the eve and run up to the election. That is the sad state of affairs. Of course, Padmaja, you have every right to ask the opposition questions. Please find out dissension within opposition ranks. Say we are bickering and ranking. Find all this out and have news stories on it.
No. So I have absolutely no interest in going looking for such stories. If you would have noticed, I have asked very clearly, where is your manifesto?
मैं आपको स्टोरी आप आइंदा आप जो करेंगी शोज उसकी स्टोरीज दे रहा हूं. जरूर मिल जाएगा आपको, काफी सामग्री मिल जाएगी. चुनाव का वक्त है.
Thank you, Anshul. Anshul Abhijit, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure to have a former colleague help us with our news list.
And that is
nothing could make me happier.
I'm always concerned about the health of the newsroom.
Thank you so much. You know, the concern is mutual. Look, we are concerned about the fairness of this alliance, the harmony of this alliance. You are concerned about my daily news list. What a lovely symbiotic relationship. Let's keep it that way for the time being. All gentlemen, Priyanka Bharti, thanks for joining us.